Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the graphic settings within the Monster Hunter Now game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Monster Hunter Now game on your device. And once the game is opened up, you might be asked to log into your account if you haven't done so already. Go ahead and choose your Google account and then you will be logged in, after which you will be taken into the game map menu. From this page, if you wish to change the graphic settings, tap on the hero icon at the bottom left corner and then tap on settings. Now from the settings menu, if you scroll down, you will find the graphic settings. You can tap on the various graphic settings that are available and then you can go back into the game and your settings will be applied when you start your new match or as soon as you start your monster hunt. You can come back to this menu as many times as you want and change the settings without any limitation for your graphics. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your graphic settings on the Monster Hunter Now game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.